In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Stripe with QuickBooks Online and keep your payments and fees in sync. By the end, you'll know how to connect the two, choose the right sync settings, and monitor your data so your books stay accurate. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online using the company file where you want Stripe activity to appear. Make sure you have the right permissions to install apps and that you're in the correct company, especially if you manage more than one. A stable internet connection helps prevent timeouts during the setup. Once you're in, head to the Apps section from the left navigation. In the search bar, type Stripe. You should see options that integrate Stripe with QuickBooks Online. Open the listing to review what it syncs, payments, fees, and deposits, and check the description so you know exactly how the data will flow. When you're ready, click Get App Now to start the connection. You'll be prompted to authorize the connection. This typically means signing into your Stripe account and confirming that you allow QuickBooks to access your payments data. Follow the on-screen prompts, and if two-step verification pops up, complete it. Take a moment to read the permission summary so you're comfortable with what's being shared. After authorization, you'll configure how the sync works. This is where you decide how payments, fees, and deposits appear in your books. Choose an income account for your Stripe sales so revenue posts correctly. Select or create an expense account for Stripe processing fees, so they're tracked separately and show up on your profit and loss. For deposits, decide whether Stripe payouts should post to your checking account directly or to a clearing account that you reconcile against your bank feed. If the app offers options for net versus gross posting, pick the method that aligns with how you want to see sales and fees in your reports. Save your settings before exiting. Make it a habit to review imported transactions regularly. Look for duplicates, amounts that don't match your bank feed, and any missing refunds or disputes. If you notice timing differences between Stripe payouts and your bank, that's normal. Just ensure the totals reconcile and that fees are captured accurately. Finally, use reports to keep an eye on Stripe activity. Run your profit and loss to see Stripe fee totals and review sales by customer or sales by product/service to spot trends. Filtering reports by the deposit account you assign to Stripe can help isolate those transactions. With these checks in place, your Stripe data in QuickBooks Online will stay clean, consistent, and ready for confident decision making.